Yin and Yang are fundamental concepts that provide a model of harmony and balance in the universe, and can also be applied to the study of health and illness in the human body. The Chinese character for Yin originally referred to the shady side of the mountain, whilst the character for Yang referred to the sunny side of the mountain. From this basic idea, further concepts of Yin and Yang can be developed. Yin and Yang are seen to flow in a constant cycle of harmony, each balancing the other, with neither Yin nor Yang being excessive or deficient. In Chinese medicine, human health relies on the balance of Yin and Yang, and it is when an imbalance of Yin or Yang, or both, occurs that we develop illnesses. The Yin and Yang image has now become iconic and is often used to represent balance, harmony, etc. And yet within this simple illustration lies the depth and breadth of Chinese medicine. Yin is seen as representing stillness, coolness, contraction, nighttime and heaviness, whilst Yang represents movement, warmth, expansion, daytime and lightness. There are 5 main properties of Yin and Yang. Yin and Yang are 2 aspects of a whole. Yin and Yang aspects are in everything, day and night, male and female, hot and cold, being active and being relaxed. Yin and Yang are also divisible. For example, a 24-hour day can be divided into daytime, which is Yang, and nighttime, which is Yin. Daytime Yang can be divided into sunny, which is Yang, and cloudy, which is Yin. Sunny could then be divided into direct sunlight, which is Yang, and indirect sunlight, which is Yin, and so on. Yin and Yang are also interdependent. Neither Yin nor Yang can exist in isolation, and only have meaning in relation to each other. For example, there is no hot without cold, light without darkness, male without female, etc. Yin and Yang control each other. Yin and Yang mutually balance each other. For example, as Yang rises, Yin decreases, and as Yin increases, Yang decreases. And finally, Yin and Yang can also transform into each other. At the point of maximum Yang, Yin will start to rise and vice versa. And as we'll see in later tutorials, cold, which is Yin, can easily transform into heat, which is Yang. And also heat, which is Yang, can transform into cold, which is Yin. This illustration, adapted from the book The Foundations of Chinese Medicine, shows how we can apply the ideas of Yin and Yang to develop a TCM model of human health. If we look at the top illustration, at birth we have a balance of Yin and Yang where our health is just right. We're not too hot, we're not too cold, and we have enough strength and energy to do our activities, but we are not overactive, and we can also rest on an evening. In clinical practice, we assume that an imbalance of Yin, Yang, or both has occurred, and is manifesting in one of these 4 ways: a deficiency of Yin, a deficiency of Yang, an excess of Yang, and finally a mixed condition of a deficiency of Yin and an excess of Yang. Some of these ideas will become clearer as you travel through this website and also through the later tutorials, where we discuss how the organ systems work in Chinese medicine and how patterns of disharmony arise and manifest in them. In this first illustration, we can see that the Yin energy has decreased, and this has resulted in a relative excess of Yang. In this case, we would look to tonify Yin and try to rebalance the Yin and Yang. In the second illustration, we can see that the Yang energy has decreased, and this has resulted in a relative excess of Yin. In this case, we would be looking to tonify Yang to try and rebalance the Yin and Yang. In the third situation, we can see that the Yang has become excessive and has resulted in an absolute Yang excess. And in this case, we would look to reduce Yang to try and rebalance the Yin and Yang. In the fourth situation, we can see that Yin has become deficient and Yang has become excessive. In this case, we would be looking to tonify Yin and also reduce Yang in order to try and rebalance the Yin and Yang. The root cause and development of disease, no matter how complex,